Wait, we are live na. Hindi, pero pero nakamute pa naman kayo. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Ayan. Hello. Good evening, every single one of you. My name is LTG. Welcome everyone to Until Then. Medyo na late kasi dapat talaga alas 8 pero now we have like a DJ hour stream, like 10 p.m. Hello everyone. I forgot to do shared chat. I forgot to do shared chat right now. I'm so sorry, but here we go. Hello everyone. My name is LTG Tartai Gaming. Welcome, Forina. Welcome to the stream. It is somewhat a good stream right now. So hello every single one of you. We are now going on to Until Then. If you are, Mama Dutch is here, chat. So eto. So I will be going onto Discord in 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone. How are you doing? Hello.
Hello everyone. Hello.
How are you doing? Wait lang, naglalag ba tayo? No, not now. Like 300 300. Yeah. So kung maglag lang tayo, bye-bye TikTok, okay? Bye-bye TikTok. Kung maglag tayo. But I will be playing Until Then again, chat, for the chapter 3 of Until Then. Hello,
Okay,
Ball of
so,
Fridays. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing?
LTG, a little recap. Ano ba nangyari ulit sa chapter 2?
Yeah, a little recap, chat. A recap of what happened on Until Then is basically we have our our good. Oh, what happened to Dutch? Is Dutch? Your active is not me reactivating. No.
Oh no.
Farina, please. I swear to God, if you stole me again, what happened? Where am I?
Okay, wait a
Farina
minute,
just
chat.
stole your doll body again.
Wait a minute. I will move this into the bottom. And
The bottom.
here we go. So wait a minute. And yeah.
We're back.
Okay, I will skip it already. So welcome everyone to Until Then. So our our recap. Our recap is we have, of course, the tension. We have our quote unquote friends from what do you call this? A friend which is Nicole. But
AKA
Nicole's
Dutch.
like, you want to do there, get out of here. But hindi. So hindi nangyari yun, chat. Pero because wala eh. Talagang ayaw magpapigil ni Mark. Yun ang masasabi ko. Parang ayaw magpapigil talaga ni Mark doon sa nangyari yun. But
Kasi si Mark
hello
tahimik lang yan.
everyone. Ayan. So
Tahimik lang si
muling
Mark.
mabubuhay. So probably ang magiging natin is, of course, syempre natututo pa rin siya na
Chapter 3.
mag-piano. So eto na. Ang our chapter 3 is pupunta na tayo. Oh my God. Hello, Furina. Welcome to the
Hello.
stream. How are you doing? Yan. We are back. So, chapter 3 tayo. Dito tayo nahinto
We
sa...
are so back.
Yeah, nahinto tayo sa... tao dito. Nahinto tayo sa hospital.
Hindi ko kasalanan.
Here we go, chat.
Okay. By the way, LTG share screen. Wala kami makita.
Wait a minute.
Nanood lang ako sa stream. Yun
Okay, I will share my screen right now. Sana hindi maglag ang ating stream for the love of... Okay, medyo hindi naman naglalag. So, here we go.
Nice.
Ang parang weird ng araw na to. Wait lang, nadali ba tayo sa tech? Hello Tulip. Hello, Kale. How are you doing? Welcome to Until Then, every single one of you. So, we are here in tao dito. But si Kuya Kim nandito. Si Kuya Kim nag-ano ng balita. Hello Emika, welcome to the stream. Hello Banonica. Welcome. Hello everyone. Well, ba't nandito si Kuya Kim?
Oh,
Hello, Ace of Spades. Welcome to the stream. If you want to have a good resolution, alam niyo na kung saan tayo pupunta. Okay. Punta tayo sa information. Oh, wait, wa? Ayan. Excuse me po. Ikaw na Juju dito. Ay, hindi. Ikaw na pala, Dutch. Si Dutch pala to. Ayan.
Let me see. Hold on.
Wait lang, mahina yung mic mo. Wait lang.
Walang boy characters pa.
Ayan, I already, amp the mic. Ayan, go.
Ay, ma'am. Pasensya na po. On behalf po ng admin ng Mondragon Medics.
Yeah.
Mondragon. Humingi ka ng tawad.
Oh no.
Am I live?
And-
Hello?
Yeah, you're alive.
Hindi po namin
Yeah.
kayang tumanggap pa ng mga pasyente. Sobrang dami po kasi yung inasahan ng darating na yung araw eh.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So, by the way, chat, if you want to have a, best scene, of course, alam niyo na kung saan ka pupunta. Oy, hello! Oh my God, Artie, welcome to the stream! Artemis, welcome to the stream. Hello.
Artemis,
I can
hello.
stay kasi mas spoil si Artie. Oh, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Maraming salamat. Anonymous user, thank you so much for the follow. Oy, Kael, welcome to the stream. I went here because it's lagging in TikTok. Sabi ko nga, diba, it is best seen here on the Purple app kasi talaga maglalag talaga yung stream ko. Yeah, sabi ko. Yan. And here we go.
Hello, Marina. We're still back.
That's
Yeah.
real is here.
Okay, I think we're good. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Ikaw palit na.
Okay. Pasensya na po sa bala. Maupo ka po muna.
Maupo muna kayo sandali.
Yes. What is
Yes.
those words?
Yes.
Oh,
Oy, Steel's wig back. Oh my God. Wala na.
no.
Kinuha na ulit yung
No, denied.
wig mo. Denied daw. Denied. Yeah, denied. Hello,
I'm sorry,
Veronica. How are you doing?
Denied.
We are just playing Until Then right now. So, you can't deny daw. You can't deny. Sabi daw ni Porina. You
By
can't
the power
deny.
invested in me. Nasa gitna.
Ang ganda daw na nasa gitna. Ang cute. Ang ganda na nasa gitna. Ang ganda mo daw, Juju. Maganda ka daw, Juju.
Sa gitna daw, gitna.
Oy, hello, Rain. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Welcome everyone to Until Then. Ano yan?
LTG, sabi ni Kale, maganda daw yung nasa gitna, cute daw yung nasa left.
Oo.
O, ikaw nga yung ikaw nga yung nasa gitna.
Ikaw yung cute.
No, si Dachi yung
Ah, si Dachi. Okay, si Dachi pala. Kala ko sa gitna ng screen.
She's cute.
Okay, never mind. I might eat the wig. What do you mean about that? Okay, thank you so much for the
No.
follow. Maraming
I'm
maraming
keeping the
salamat.
Yo,
Uy,
Reina, what does
battery!
it taste?
Oh my god, battery. Thank you so much for the follow. Oh, wow.
Is that battery I see?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Wait lang. Ayan, tuloy muna tayo sa tuloy muna tayo sa
Kaya,
Yeah.
Hindi pa tayo nakakawa.
hindi pa tayo nakakapag oh my god.
Wait. Oo.
I meant daw, maganda daw yung nasa gitna, cute daw yung pating,
Oo.
pogi yung kalbo. Ay,
I mean, to be fair, you are pogi,
Rain.
pogi
Oh
kalbo.
my god. Okay, I will follow you in the purple app also. Ayan. Eats
Oh
half
my
of
God.
the
Hello,
wig.
Rain.
Oh my god. No. No.
Denied.
Yeah, nandito rin nandito din si Dutch. Yeah. Hello, Case. Okay. Ayan. Hello.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Wait lang.
Yorin, hello.
Pagpatuloy muna natin tong until then.
Hindi tayo nakakalayo. Sandali.
Hindi pa tayo nakakalayo. Ayan, go. Dutch.
Hello. Babalikan po namin kayo.
Ah.
Kayo?
Babalikan po
Kaya-
namin kayo. Yan.
Fair warning chat. May Tagalog stuff.
Sige. By the way, disclaimer, Dutch is
Spoilers.
not a Tagalog
That's my first time.
like talagang hindi siya na
Dutch is
pagsalita
from
ng
another
Tagalog
world.
very well. So, medyo medyo
Tagalog very
konti-konti
well,
lang.
sorry po.
Yeah, konti-konti
So,
lang.
Yeah.
Ay,
So
may
yeah,
dadalawin naman.
Dutch is in another world, so
Yeah.
it's from
I
another
maybe-
world.
I may be Filipino, but I cannot speak Tagalog
Yeah.
like very well.
Yeah.
Go.
Ayan. Ano ba nangyayari?
Ayun lang.
Okay, so that's it, chat.
Ayun lang.
Is this like a Final Destination kind of plot? Pero sabi
Wag naman
nila,
sana.
maghihintay muna ako. Okay, we need to probably get on a cafe. Okay, dito tayo sa cafeteria. Hindi pa ako gutom. What the hell? Saan tayo pupunta?
Pero snacks. Umupo
Saan tayo
muna
pupunta?
Upo
Saan tayo
muna
pupunta ngayon?
Diyan.
Upo. Ayan, sobrang dami. Parang di naman yata.
Daming pasyente, Bas.
Okay, Juju.
Maybe.
Dito. Uy, oo. Huwag ng Diyos. Ligtas din kaming nakarating. Maghintay lang daw kami. Alam ko. Oo. Magkita tayo dito. Ingat ka. Bye.
Sige, Purina, gusto mo ma-time out? Baala ka. ah.
Ano?
Bakit?
I have the power, chat.
Oh, go. Juju.
Narinig mo yun?
Ano pa si Wait, wala dito. Wala ditong ganun. Keisuke, grabe ka.
Napunta na rin si tito mo.
Ano nangyayari? Stop crying! Becca, we still have to take.
What happened, Bella?
Magdala pa tayo ng patatas!
What happened, Ella? Why are you crying again?
What happened, Becca? Why are you crying? I know. Vampire, right? Tahan na tayo. Oh my God. Stop crying, Becca. Stop. Okay. Kasunod ng pagtatayo muli ng mga highway, mga kalsada, dumagsa sa kabisera, mga biktima ng mga lugar na naapektuhan ng magnitude 8.2 na lindor sa makalito para sa malawakang pagngangalang, pagkalusugan at paggagamot. Okay. Nothing lasts forever.
Not
Sana.
last forever. Oh.
Grabe yan. Nothing lasts forever. Grabe.
Kasi ano?
Dumarami pa rin ng mga biktima ng rule. Kaya.
Parang totoong
What's
Facebook yan.
nice?
Yeah, and not gonna lie. Ukol sa pareda ng ating mahal na presidential spokesperson, administrasyon sa umano'y konsistem at tapang isang kaso dinulot sa atin ng the ruling. Taas no, hinihag nila patapos sa mga national highway, handa nila buksan ang pagpunta sa mga hilagang bahagi ng bansa kung saan maliwanag na nararamdaman ng pinsala. So throwback, grabe. Para kanino ka bumaba? Para kanino ka bumabang?
Gumising tayo.
Babangon tayo! Ano? Wala na gentleman ngayon. Had to stand as a woman for a whole ride. Grabe. Hashtag tulpo.
Grabe.
Grabe. Tutulpo. Ganito pa talaga tulpo. Seryoso? Fake news ang rule. No. This is not. Para kanino ka bumabangon? Binuhusan ng black coffee powder sa bibig.
Good one.
Oh, still, sabi daw ni Rico, still have your wig. What do you mean about that? What do you mean about that?
Nasa akin na yung wig.
Hindi, nakay-Dutch na yung wig. Nakay-Dutch na yung wig ngayon. Yan. Deserve na lahat ng love. Proud ako sa mga kaibigan kong vocal. Oh, so like LGBTQ community. Yippee! Yan, share. Hindi ko na ako okay, so this is basically, alam niyo to yung ano ba yung pelikula? Yung That Thing Called Tandhana. This is the reference about that. Yeah. Go lang, Furina. As a child, I was curious the taste of Nescafe black powder. I tried it, never
again.
Well,
Never
You
again.
and me both.
kasalanan mo yan.
You
Kasalanan mo
and me
yan.
both. So, sa sobrang pait.
Kasalanan mo yan. Kasalanan mo yan. Yeah.
You and
Wala
me
tayong
both.
magagawa dyan. Hello LTJ. Hello Solon. I actually went to kahapon din nanood din ako na Final Destination Bloodlines. It is actually good. It is actually good.
Mayroon ng Final Destination, bro.
Oy, thank you so much for the follow. Sino yung nag-follow? Oy, hello Mizuno. Oh my god, welcome to the stream. Parang kilala ko to ah. Parang kilala ko tong Mizuno na to. Hindi ko parang may naiisip ako kung sino yun. Hello.
Right?
Hala.
Nung wig mo boy. Anong nung wig mo boy? Nakay Dutch na yung wig ko. Okay. Ano to? All I ask, halatang halata yung yung Facebook na
Yep.
na pixelated yung pixelated yung
Pixelated lang yung post.
Hindi, wala na. Hello Ash, ano yan? Delivery, some want me to deliver you a wig. Okay.
No.
Well, sabi daw, I will deliver a
No.
wig. So, here we go. I'm back, chat. I'm back. Let's go. I'm back.
You know what?
No.
You know what proceeds to steal wig?
Wait lang.
Can I help you? No.
I'm back,
You know
chat.
what?
I'm back at my original wigs kind of thing, you know. Disclaimer: protect your stuff from Purina or else she eat it. Okay. Ibalik mo na yung kalbo
Ang kalbo
justice.
You know, LTG
Ah.
proceeds to steal wig.
Oh my God, not again! No!
Okay, that's here. Sa'yo na to.
Yes.
No,
Thank you.
no, why? Why?
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
back
you.
ulit
Ayan,
tayo.
you're welcome.
Oy, ano?
You're welcome.
Ayan, Mark, saan ka na? Can I eat it? No, don't eat it. No, please don't. Mark, saan ka na?
Ayan, nadidistract tayo.
Ayan,
Ay.
kakarating lang. Nasa ward kami ng 3rd floor. Madali lang hanapin yun. Sabi raw maghintay ako dito. Parang sobrang busy yata nila. Di ko alam kung gaano katagal. Busy rin dyan? Sa bagay, wala, visiting hours naman ngayon. Okay lang yan. Umakyat ka na lang. Sige, papunta na ako. Okay. Punta na tayo sa 3rd floor, chat.
Ay, wag mo na kumain.
Okay, here we go. Hello, Cypher.
Kain muna.
Ano to? I search ni Hao on Twitch. The one in the middle didn't pop. What the hell? Burns the wig. Why do you have hair? Wala na nga. Wala na nga. Kinuha na nila. Hindi. Wala na ulit. Oh my God. Wala na. Okay, 3rd floor daw. Edi 3rd floor. Okay,
Nice
here we
naman
go.
yun yung elevator na mayroong indication kung ano yung floor na occupied.
Okay. Here we go, chat. 3rd floor. Maraming salamat po talaga.
bro.
Ayan. Uy, hello, Mark. Welcome to the stream. We are actually also, streaming on the
Mark.
Purple App. Ano to? Wala na hospital na titira sa amin. Buti na lang nandito na kayo. Kami na bahala sa pamilya mo. Okay. We
Okay,
are
to be fair,
on...
ako,
Papunta na ba pamilya mo? Oo, para sa baby at para sa Pasko, makikita mo rin ba pamilya mo? Sana? Okay, sana daw. Apakadami!
Is that girly?
Oh my God! Literal na ADHD trap
Napakadami.
to! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Ang daming dialogue going at
Ang
once.
daming
So,
dialogue! Oh my God!
Is that girly giving birth?
Mas mabuti na po mga okay. Oh my God, wala na. Ayoko na.
Lana.
Ayoko na.
Wala na. Tayo na.
Ayoko na to.
Okay, we are on the ward 01 chat. Here we go.
Okay.
Nasaan na? Ayan, hi Luis. Ayan na si Luis. Andito na si Luis.
Pero hindi! Hindi pa katapusan ni Cardo yung pala pagsalo niya ng bala para sa presidente.
Oh my God, the probinsya.
Ang probinsya.
Ang
Reference na.
probinsyano. Ayan.
Ay, wait lang. LTG, should we uppy Sam and Ghosty here? Gusto mo?
Sam and Ghosty.
Yeah.
Sige lang. Yan, para
Gusto
marami tayo. Kaso
Ate,
hindi ko sila
square.
ma-add sa kasi baka mag-crash yung ang ating
Mag-crash out.
mag-crash yung OBS ko. Gives your
Sam,
wig back.
Ghosty, we're live,
Oh,
by the
thank
way.
you so much, Rico. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Okay.
Okay, Dutch. Wala na akong power para mag-steal ulit. Wala na.
Ayan.
So, it is your job na.
Steal Dutch? Oh no.
So,
Bye-bye, Dutch. Bye-bye, Dutch.
bye-bye, Dutch. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dutch. Bye-bye.
See you next
Bye-bye.
week. See you next stream. See you next
Yan.
time.
Okay, yan na. Go.
Tinanggal talaga.
What is this game? This game is until then, chat. This game is until then.
Okay. Hindi ka maniwala kung napanood mo lang.
Anong ginagawa niya? Dutch?
Ay,
Okay, sige.
right, I forgot.
Ibalik ulit natin si Dutch yan. Gives back Dutch again. Yan.
Give me.
Each Juju
Okay,
out of the
thank
room.
you.
Oh no. Bye-bye, Juju. Bye-bye. Okay, go.
Kinukwento yung huling episode ng paborito ko niya.
Wait lang. Sino yung Sino yung,
Ayun na.
Ghosty,
Ghosty.
pwedeng pa-mute ng ng mic mo.
There's I need to go.
Nag-feedback. Thank you. Sige, mute na lang kita. Yan. Okay.
I already muted Ghost too. See?
And,
Okay. We're good. Ano yan?
steals
Flashback
Mama
sa-
Dutch. Okay. Bye-bye, Dutch. Yan, ako na lang natira.
Parang wala na tayo dito ah.
Yan, go.
Ah,
Yan.
Yan.
flashback na.
LTG solo stream ka na ulit.
Solo stream na ulit. Nice, slowly. Yan, go.
More voices in your
Go,
head.
Dutch.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait.
voices in your head chat. Go.
Flashback sa... Ano?
Kapanganakan.
Kapanganakan ni Cardo ngayon. Pero ngayon... Ni-reveal na may... Wow!
Ka-triplet.
Pati yung voice actor na pa-wow.
Yung voice actor na pawaw, no? Ka-triplet. Oh, go.
Ni-reveal na may ka-triplet pa siya all this time! Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah, this is basically the reference of Ador and Cardo. For
Ador.
like syempre kasi ang title talaga ng ang probinsya, syempre talaga alam niyo naman si Cardo kasi yung pinaka alam ko si Cardo yung parang ginawang decoy. Yun yung pinaka season 1 niya. And then a lot change after that. Yan, a lot of change after that.
There's a
Yeah.
poster in their little room. It's a fucking poster of Ang Provinciano.
Kaya nga 'di ba?
Yep.
Go.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
At siya yung pumatay kay Cardo. Like, grabe.
Grabe.
Shush, di pa ako tapos. Shush.
Pinatahimik.
Hindi ng plot.
Hindi ng plot armor ah. Akala ko si Luis pa rin. Saan siya na?
Teka. Sino ba yan?
Sino ba yan? Okay.
Ay,
Ako nga. Oh my God. Eh na nga.
tingnan mo naman. Ay, na naman. Ang dalaginding ng...
Bumangga.
Nagdalang ng transferee.
Yeah. Mismo.
Oh.
Mismo. Mismo.
Mismo.
Yeah. Narito ako. Ang alam. What is this game? This called Until Then. Until Then ang title ng game na to.
Ay, nako.
Ano?
alam mo, ay,
Eats wig and hat? Oh, come on. I'm fine.
Oh, you're bald.
God dang it. I'm bald again.
You're truly bold.
You're bald.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yan,
Yeah,
ibalik na natin
so
si
slow.
Juju tsaka si Dutch yan para di naka voices in my head yan.
Ayan.
Here we go.
Iyan, I came crawling back.
LTG, I'm gonna
sa-
leave. Go lang Darken. Go lang Darken. If you want to leave, just or if you want to lurk, pwede ka rin mag-lurk. Yun lang. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, go for it.
Yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Where am I?
Yan.
Ay, nako. Ang alamat ng kabanggaan. Ay, nakababangga. Walang kakampi sa'yo.
Yeah. Enjoy streaming. Thank you so much, Darken. Thank you so much.
Sorry, Mark. Tama siya.
Ano to? What? Wondering if I should steal Mama Dutch again and bring her to a coffee shop.
Oh, I would
No,
like that.
don't do it.
She might enjoy it.
Hello,
But
welcome to
actually,
the stream. How are you doing?
go back.
Okay, go.
Where am I? Ganun na pala.
Ay, paglandi.
Wait.
Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe.
Ay, sheesh! Sadyang... Huh?
Mambabangga. Ay, thank you so much for the heart me. Olala.
Mambabangga. Okay.
Maraming salamat. Di ko nga kasi yung sinasadya. Wait lang nawala yung TikTok live stream for some reason hindi siya nagde-detect. Wait lang Wait lang chat.
Crash.
Yeah,
You're
it
okay, you're okay.
crashes.
We're here.
It crashes for some reason. Wait lang.
We're here
And
for you.
activate source. Okay. What happened to your
happened to your
hair?
hair?
Kinuha na naman. Kinuha na naman
Yeah,
nila.
Mama, that's I don't have my tea set here.
Yeah, sana wala tayong T-set dito, but I will add
Wala
it
yung tea
later.
set ko.
The Black Up is not
The
streaming?
Black Cup is not streaming. Oh.
Meron na.
Really, Jojo? It's not?
Meron.
Well, para sa akin parang naglalag. Pero ayun, okay na.
Kapag naglalag, alam niyo na chat. Doon kayo sa kabila. Yun na yun.
Alams na.
Alams na this. Alams na this. Okay.
Alam sa this
Di ko nga kasi yung sinasadya.
Sayang lang, hindi ka pa na-expel? Nice, nako. Pinag-community service ka ba nila?
Habang nagkakwento, gives your wig back. Okay, let's go! We are back, chat! Okay,
The
gives
chaos on
Mama
the
T.
screen.
Sadly, wala tayong T-set.
Alam ko, teaser dito. I'm sorry.
Mahabang kwento.
Ha? Wag na lang.
Burns, oh my god, really Juju, not again. Balik na naman tayo dito. Oh, come on.
I have a lighter for this occasion.
Okay, yan, go.
Burns the wig. Okay. Ano ang pustahan? Pinaglinisan ka lang ng mga kalat buong gabi.
Buong gawi? Grabe naman.
Buong gabi, oo.
Oo, ganun na nga. So, kamusta yung lola mo?
Wala naman masyadong nagbago. Pero may in-okay pa siya. Pa sana.
Yung okay pa sana. Yeah.
Oo. Parang magkatapos ng chess game. Muntik na raw siyang mag-flatline.
Oh no.
Buti na lang. Wala masamang nangyari.
Oh dear.
Pero wala na rin magandang mga nangyari. No, I'm so
Nagchat ba kayo?
sorry.
Never mind. Wala.
No.
Okay, go.
Di ba sabi mo parang may sinabi siya?
Wait lang. May nagkakaproblema yung featured chat. Okay, never mind. Okay, go.
Oo, meron nga. Parang nakita ko bumuka ang bibig niya. I need water.
Is a
Parang may
miracle.
sinasabi siya.
Anong
It's a
sabi?
Christmas miracle. Nilapit ko yung tenga ko. Pero hindi ko maintindihan eh.
Ha?
Kaya di ko alam. Wala lang yun siguro. Sabi ng mga doktor, baka yung utak. May kung anong ginagawa.
Oh. Can I have food? Sadly, I don't have a food.
Hindi
On
pa
the
masabi
table.
kung ano talaga.
Ano yung hula mo?
Wala eh. Or LTG help.
Ilawan ang kayamanan. Anong iilawan? Anong iilawan? Anong iilawan? Anong iilawan?
Yes, Ate Gian. Inihaw tsaka makayan?
Kamayan. Kamayan.
Kamayan.
Yeah.
Well, kung anong man yun,
Give me food. Yan, Gibbs food. Yan, Gibbs food. Yeah. Virtually.
yay! Please feed our kid.
I see he
At
has a mini
least-
fridge. Okay, go.
At least may makapitan ako, di ba? Makakapit.
Makakapitan.
Oo. May pag-asa kahit kunti.
Ay. Ba't tayo nawala?
Nabagsakan siya
Wait
ng
lang, ba't kayo nawala? Ayan. Nawala si Dutch na naman.
I'm here.
Oh no. Ay, nawala yung
Hello?
nawala yung reactive niya. Okay, yan.
Grabe. Lecheng lintol.
Yeah. Mahirap naman talaga kapag lindol. Okay.
Pero ang swerte niya. Na-rescue siya ng mga maaga tapos nadala dito. Kaso doon pa lang yata naubusan na siya ng swerte.
Aray ko, be.
Kaya ito, ang haba na ng tulong niya.
Ito may tumatawag sa akin sa Baka to? Oh my god, baka... Ay, never mind.
Ano na yan?
Tapos Shopee pala to. Oh my god, not again! Not again! Okay. May mga
Check na
na-rescue ba na yung iba dito?
Meron nilan. May ilan din namatay. May ilang nakalabas na. Pero nandito pa rin si Lola.
What do we... Oh, mamaya na. Okay. Mamaya na, Purina. Okay. Magano muna tayo. Tuloy muna natin to until then.
Sis.
Hindi pa nakakalayo, Furina. Sandali lang.
Gusto mo bang mag-lunch? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nagutom na si Furina, Dutch.
sige.
Iniwanan mo yung bata mo for like 2
Hindi ko
days.
ano yung bata mo, oy.
Ate yan! You should have fed them!
Okay, go.
Marky, alam mo, kahit hospital food yung nandito, ang sarap in fairness.
Bakit parang
Siya ba
joke
kumakain
time?
ng ano? Parang feeling ko siya yung kumakain.
Oo nga kasi. Promise, makakapa-second order ka pa.
Pinapa-excite mo talaga ako sa hospital food eh.
Malay mo, third order pa nga.
Okay, that's it? Hey, that's it?
Yun lang?
Okay.
Ay, ito. Is that
Ikaw
mine?
pa rin yan. Ikaw pa rin yan.
Sis, alam mo na gusto ko?
Shh!
Sorry.
Okay, ganyan na nga talaga siya.
Baguhan ka pa rin? Sinusubukan niyang maging masaya? Kahit sa ganyang sitwasyon.
Yeah, kasi may
Kaya?
sakit nga yung niya.
Lola. Si Sofia nga naman yan.
Wait lang, check ko lang yung task manager ko. Medyo nagpi-flicker yung monitor ko eh. Parang,
Are you okay?
okay, wala namang problema. Okay.
Parang magiging Dutch ka na, LTG.
Kaya nga, magiging Dutch na nga ako mamaya-maya lang eh. And go.
Okay. Where am I? Tara, punta na tayo.
Okay, tara. Here we go. Here we go. Ayan, naglalakad na si Luis and
I
Mark.
love the walk animation. It's so
Yeah. I really love the walk cycles, not gonna lie. Yan naman tayo sa mga literal na, oh my god, napakadami. This is an ADHD trap, so I will not go in here,
Oh my
you know.
God.
Anong problema?
Mapakadami, oh, tingnan mo, mapakadami. Yan, pupunta tayo ng first floor, right? Ang weird nun.
Oo nga eh. Nagulat din ako. Ngayong araw lang yung nangyari.
Ano ba talaga nangyari?
Hindi ko sa parami na pupunta rito na biktima ng healing. Walang talaga tayo ng maayos na ospital.
Hello, it's Via. Welcome to the stream. Wait lang. Ialis na natin yung social stream kasi talagang naglalag talaga ang aking PC. I'm so sorry about that, chat. But
Hala.
I need to remove some Yan. Hello, Via. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? So, yan. Balik tayo sa laro. Here we go. Di ba ganun na dati pa?
Ganun na nga at mas lumala pa.
Okay. Maraming salamat by the way sa mga heart me. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay.
LTG parang sa other side yung
Baliktad nga pa. Baliktad nga pala dito sa cafe nga pala. I forgot about that.
Dito tayo.
Okay.
cafe.
Sa cafe nga pala
Cafe.
tayo.
Uy, cute.
Ay, cute to. Cute. Okay.
Anong pang gusto?
Yan, ikaw na lang, Juju. Yan.
Yep.
Order ko po ako ng dalawang kanin at dalawang adobo po.
Na naman.
Ano mo do you mean na laman? What the-
Naman. Doon sa isang serving. Wala pa bang tabat? Pagdagdagan na rin ng patata. Ay po ng patata.
Dine in or take out?
Pick up po.
Oh my god. Ay,
Oh my God.
sheesh.
10 minutes po. Okay lang po ba?
Okay lang po.
Hindi okay lang. Hindi ka ba nawiwirdohan?
Grabe. Saan?
Wala. Ano? Nawiwirdo. What the hell? Sasabihin mo Ang ganda ng mo, Mark, ha? Pakaganda ng
Ikaw. Yeah? Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
Menudo.
At isang menudo with rice po. At take out din.
Wait lang, chat. I think I need to remove
200.
TikTok stream.
Ala.
Pero ang tanong, paano ko mariremove kung naka-live na ako? Well, wala tayong
Oo.
choice. Kundi
Sacrifice.
sacrifice our
Sacrifice.
GPU. Yeah. Yan. Ikaw na. Ikaw na,
200.
Juju.
Parang si Mark na weird lang. Na weird
Uy.
out.
Yan, I will kasi bawal yun sa Twitch. Ano yan? Mama Purina and Dutch will be paying, Mama Dutch will be paying per bottle. Sheesh! Go.
Gusto mo ba umupo saglit?
Oo, sige.
Hmm?
Naglalag nga yung yung stream ko sa Twitch.
Parang may
Bumabagabag.
Wow. Yes, that word. Sa'yo.
Ang dami kasing nangyari. Ang dami kasing nangyari sa ospital na to, no?
At least tahimik dito sa cafeteria.
Buti naman.
Mark? Okay ka lang?
Okay lang ako.
Si Mark, tahimik lang.
Mark, tahimik lang. So ano na? Ano nalaman mo?
Nabasa ko. Nagbasa ako ng mga lindol at papel tapos...
Libro.
Yeah.
Sa tingin ko may kinalaman po to sa isip. Ang ibig kong sabihin,
BRB, call me if you need something or want me to steal something. Sige, go lang, Purina.
nasa isip lang natin to.
Teka lang. Di ba sabi mo
Conspiracy
hindi
theory.
pwedeng ganun lang yun?
Oo.
Sabi mo pa nga, sobrang liit ng tsansa.
Oo, pero tingnan mo. Billion na ng mundo.
Tao sa mundo, yeah.
At sino makakahula na maraming na? Uy,
Ako
sakuna.
na.
Hello.
Uy, si Sakuna.
He didn't
Uy,
know
sakuna.
na merong sakuna. Oh my God! Oh my God! A disaster! Oh my God! A disaster! Oh my God!
Oh my
Wow! Parang ganun yung pahiwatig niya.
Mangyari sa isang araw lang. Labang sa lote.
Sa lohika.
Nasa lohika kung iba pa yung baging to. Tsaka ayokong
Ayaw mong
mamali yung maging paliwanag natin.
Okay. Bakit pareho tayo na nararanasan? Kung talagang bihira lang to. Ba't parang nagkukumpulan pa sila dito?
Hala.
Tingnan mo to.
Normal bang magkaroon ng sobrang lakas at long-lasting na deja vu?
Parang feeling ko lang sa Reddit yan
Reddit
Yeah,
nga
it is
to.
Reddit.
Di bago
Ask
sa atin ang
Reddit.
deja vu.
Reddit. Ask get it.
Digo.
Pero lately parang mas tumitindi to hanggang 20 seconds. Parang napapanik attack ako. Tapos parang hindi ko... So basically, is this a deja vu? Is this a deja vu? Yun nga eh.
Deja vu situation.
Is this a deja vu situation? Okay. Back.
Walang kumpulang nangyayari dito, Mark. Nangyayari to kahit saan.
Hala.
It's worldwide.
Ano naman kung nasa isip natin to? Anong dahilan?
Marami akong nabasang kwentong-kwento sa internet. Tapos, napansin ko na may isang bagay lang parehas lang lahat sa lahat ng to.
Okay, LTG Dutch,
Ng ano?
coffee break lang ako.
Sige, go lang.
Absolutely. May
May-
nakakabahala.
Nakaabala.
Nakakaabala.
O buwabagabag.
Bumabagabag. What is that word?
Bumabagabag
What?
or basically bumabagabag is like, do you have any hunch? Or do you have any thoughts that you're basically seeing right now on yourself or on your depende. It depends on the word.
Okay. Bumabagabag. Ay,
Sa'yo ngayon.
sa'yo ngayon. Sorry.
Hello Jusriel, welcome to the stream. Naka-delay pala stream delay pala tayo ngayon kaya.
Yeah.
Hello
Delay.
Leon BA, welcome to the stream. Naka-stream delay pala tayo sa sa TikTok. So if you don't want to have a delay, alam niyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. Yeah, it is until then. It is until then. Yan. Ano?
Nung tinanong kita kung okay ka lang. Ito rin yun.
Di ko...
Siguro nare-realize mo na kamakailan na parang may mali. Diba?
Yeah. Hello, Leah VA. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to Until Then. If you want to do, pa rin? Medyo stream delay tayo ng probably 30 seconds to 1 minute. So, much better na punta kayo sa Purple App. Thank you. Okay. Parang may mali. Okay. Go.
Siguro may hindi tama ngayon mo. What? Wait lang.
Ngayon mo lang naramdaman.
Siguro may hindi tama na ngayon lang. Mo lang nalaman.
Yung mga memory anomalies na yan. Wala naman, yung parang mga memory anomalies lang. Pero yun na mismo pinag-usapan natin. Kaya baka may iba ka pang ibig sabihin. That?
Mga XPO. I'm here.
Nawala ka bigla.
I'm right here.
Okay. Go.
Oh, okay. Mark, yung mga experience na to, baka produkto lang ng mga gulong
Okay lang naman ako. Pero okay lang naman kasi ako. Wala namang nakaka-stress sa akin.
Hindi, ganito kasi.
Hindi yun yung dahilan.
Makinig ka, yun lang ang logical na paliwanag.
So sinasabi mong nababagabag ka rin?
Hindi mo ba ako patatapusin? Why? Oh, airbag. That just... Pasensya na. Ay, hindi ko sinasadya.
Adobo!
Jojo! Adobo!
Nasaan na si Jojo? Jojo! Wala si Jojo. Nawala si Jojo.
Okay. Ikaw.
Pahintay lang po ng minuto.
Did you realize na weird yung eyes ni Mark kanina?
Kasi di ba nga antok na antok siya.
Yeah, but it's gone now. Look at the pixels. The eyeballs are gone.
Kaya kanina may eyebug na baka ang pahiwatig ng game is basically they have like a hunch like I get it now. Baka yun yung baka yun yung gusto nilang pahiwatig. So sa ayan, go.
Sa taas tayo magkita. Sa taas na tayo magkita.
Sa taas talaga. Uy!
Oh, taas pa.
Uy! Anong uy? Anong uy?
That's weird. Especially from a logical person like
Anong
Luis to
nagawa
tell
ko?
you
Ako na
Hello?
dito. Sige, sige.
Sure ka? Okay. Gusto mo?
Hello? Balina General Hospital po ba to? Oo po, mataas po yung lagnat ng anak ko tsaka pakiusap po, kailangan na po namin talaga ng tulong.
Oh my god.
Hello, I'm back.
You're back, you're back.
Yan, natapos na yung adobo mo. Hindi, wag eh. Ito na naman. Pwede bang dahilin ko na lang siya dyan? Kahit nasa hallway na lang siya. Pakiusap. Mga biktima kami ng laling. Utang na loob po.
Oh,
Bakit
the
parang
glitchy.
familiar na naman ang lahat ng to?
Hala.
Oh, glitchy, glitchy.
Hindi pwede. Oh,
Ala,
Oh.
Oo.
masamang pangitain to. Kailangan ko naman bumalik ngayon din. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh
Wait,
no,
what?
oh no. Oh no, this is definitely weird. Oh my
That
god,
is
what the
very
hell is
weird.
happening?
It's still glitchy.
Yeah, it's still glitchy, yun nga eh. Okay,
Oh,
third
ano
floor.
nangyari?
Oh,
Third
pretty.
floor.
What did I miss?
Yung adobo mo.
Yung adobo mo.
Wow.
Third floor, let's go. Wait, what? Wait, what is this? Ano to?
Ba't naging daycare? Ba't naging
Hindi kailangan ko pumunta sa ward. Okay, what the hell is this?
Whoa.
What the?
Whoa.
What
Uy,
the
ba't
hell?
this? Whoa.
Go to ward, go to ward. Go to ward. Yan, go,
Wait,
go, go, go,
can we
go.
do it? No, I
Go.
wanted to look at the things. Oh,
Nasaan
okay.
sila?
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. So what
Nasaan
is
sila?
that?
Oh my god. Oh my god, what the hell is
that?
this?
Everything is open.
That's two
everything is-
4G auto sets in the truck.
Oh, yung
Nakawala
ano?
sila oh. Nasaan na kayo?
Oo,
Nasaan na?
Everything is.
Oh
What
my
is
god,
this?
where are they? Where are they?
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, where are they, chat? Baka nasa ibang floor sila. Okay, okay. Punta tayo sa ibang floor.
Okay, that's a wedding.
It's just me or parang
Punta tayo sa
nag-iba
ibang
na-
floor, chat.
Cool.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
Oh,
Kala ko
check
nag-iba
check the time. Check the time, chat. Check the
It's-
time.
It's
It's
1,
spinning
12,
like
9, 8.
it's spinning like crazy. What the hell?
Beyblade, let it rip.
Punta tayo third floor. Punta tayo second floor. Second floor tayo. Second floor, second floor, second floor. Kanina pa tayo ng first floor.
Did you know?
Oh my God. Hindi dito kasi sa game. Hindi sa...
Oh,
What?
ayoko na.
What the hell?
Wala na, ayaw na.
Why it looks like a freaking... Oh my God. Oh my God. I will cover my eyes. I will cover my eyes.
Horror game.
I will cover my eyes right now.
Ayoko
What
nito.
the hell? Nasaan kayo?
No, bawal.
Ano wala.
Nasaan kayo?
What is this?
Go back.
What is this? Oh my
Where
God.
are
Yung
they?
mannequin.
Oh, ayoko ng door. Wait, can you go back to the door?
Dito ba? No. First floor na naman yata. What the hell?
First floor, try mo first floor. Try mo first floor.
What type first floor? Oh my God.
Okay.
Imagine
Why it is like
imagine mo ganun
looks
din.
so creepy?
Ayoko nito.
Why it looks so creepy? Oh
What
my
in
God.
the
What the
hell?
hell is this?
Ayoko na.
What?
Why it looks like a ano?
Ba't
Oh my
naging
God.
Silent Hill?
Oh my God. Wow.
Ayoko na.
Ba't naging Silent Hill? What is this? Balik nga
I will
ulit
go
nga
to the...
ikaw sa...
Yeah. I'm so creeping out right now.
Oh my
Wait, what the
God.
hell?
Ayoko na. Your fault.
Your
Ba't may
fault?
ginag-
What do you mean your fault?
Look at the things.
Kasalanan mo daw, LTG. Ano ba daw ginawa?
Kasalanan mo. Bro,
Ano ginawa
why
mo,
does
LTG?
it remind
Tulong.
me of, ano,
What do you mean
why does
tulong?
it-
Anong tulong ginagawa? Oh my God. Anong gagawin ko
Why does
dito?
this remind me of Rambo?
Yeah.
Anong gagawin ko
Yeah.
dito?
Rambo?
What the
Yeah, I know
hell?
that.
You know Rambo,
Fourth
right?
floor?
Yeah, what the hell? What?
Hey, what the...
Fourth floor na tayo.
Ayoko.
Fourth floor.
What the hell, man? Wait lang, I'm
Bigla,
creeping.
ano, iba na.
I'm creeping out. Ah, ba't ako dinadala dito? Ba't dito ako dinadala? Bot
Third
pala,
floor?
kala ko sino. It is a bot. It is a bot.
Bro,
Oh
look
my
at the
God. I'm
hands.
creeping out right now.
Nasa third floor ka ulit.
Help us.
Help us.
Oh,
Sa Klolo, tulong.
Ayoko na.
Kasalanan mo. What do you mean? What do you mean we are no?
World
Tulong.
ends to
Tulong.
save us, world ends. Ayoko na po, please.
What is this?
LTG, help me. I
Sinusunod
cannot
ka na, bro.
continue.
Mga bulaklak?
Oh my God,
What the hell is this?
I don't want to look at the screen. Thank you. Bye. I'm not gonna look at the screen. I'm not gonna look at my screen. Sorry, chat. I am very weak to games.
Bro,
that
what
is
the hell
horror.
is this? Oh, wait. Hindi ko magalaw yung ano. Sino yan?
uy,
I don't know.
uy, uy. Ay, yung lola.
Ikaw ang may kasalanan!
Ikaw,
Ano po? Ikaw ang may kasalanan!
Oo. LTG.
Anong ginawa ko? Ikaw ang may kasalanan!
Kasalanan!
Oh my God. Ayoko.
Tapos may jump scare. Walang jump scare.
Ayoko na.
Wait, wow, wait, what?
Okay, back. Okay, bumalik na tayo.
Wait.
Are you back?
Oh my God, what happened? What happened,
What
Bella?
happened, Bella?
What happened, Bella?
Before we did you see the doors? Did you see the room? Did you see how the doors at third floor at the second floor they were actually different from
Yeah.
the and it was red and
It
did
is
you see
like-
the how the text in the wall changes from it's your fault or some stuff and it's a world
Yeah.
ending and did you see, oh my God. I am scared. Sorry.
Yeah,
for chat.
I'm
I don't
really
Rambo,
scared right
so I'm
now.
scared.
This is like I'm playing Final Destination again, huh? Okay, I like how you two are panicking and while Shark over there is just chilling.
I'm actually scared. Oh my God.
Yeah, I know, right? Uy, ayan. Hello, nandyan ba yung tanga? Hello, tao po. Hoy, ba't di ka sumasagot? Ay, tol, sensya na. Naka-silent pala. Alam mo naman kung bakit ako tumatawag, di ba? Oo, papunta na. Very good. 5
Very
PM
good.
ha? Impunto. Got you, tol. The fucking lights that Scooby. Oh my. Mabuti pang bumalik na
It's
ako.
still glitchy. Why is that still glitchy?
Wait, third floor ako, di ba?
Oo, yan na yung third floor. So, alam ko.
Hindi, fourth floor to eh.
No.
Sure?
Fourth floor ako dumaan eh.
Third floor. Oh, see? Third.
Wait, third.
Third yan.
Kanina fourth, kanina dumaan ako ng fourth ka.
Automatic na pinapunta ko sa third floor.
Why are we going to the fourth floor? LTG, what are you doing?
Si Mark,
Di ka third floor, si LTG ka.
na.
Okay,
Big.
balik tayo na. Ba't kanina ano tayo ah?
LTG, what are you doing?
Kanina fourth floor tayo Kanina fourth floor tayo. Ngayon, bigla tayo binaba ng third floor. What the hell is
LTG.
happening?
What the heck are you
LTG,
doing?
hindi mo nakita yung yung number habang sa hallucinogenic state tayo.
Yeah.
LTG, what the heck? You're creeping me out.
Yung tingnan mo, nagkaroon ng eye bags tuloy si Mark.
Exactly. That's what
Nagustuhan ko yun, LTG, yung sa scene na yun, yung parang madaming stuff going on, parang nasa hallucinogenic tayo. Kayong dalawa
Yeah.
na nagpapanik, meanwhile ako, ang dami.
Just chilling. Ayan.
Oo.
Ikaw na that.
Marky, ba't ang tagal mo? Kakatapos lang namin kumain.
Sa baba na ako kakain. Yan, ito lang, there's hello, anong hypo new here? Anong new here ka dyan, Sora? Nagsasabi mo dyan. Moon could, maybe I'm having a bad dream, trauma being alone from dream. Yeah,
Ayoko
probably
nito.
it is a
I'm
traumatic
scared.
experience by,
I'm scared.
By Mark.
Help me.
we are now scared. Not gonna lie, we are
I'm
now scared at what is happening.
We,
Ako yung takot. Ako yung takot.
It is
Oo na.
either a bad dream or a delulu. Baka delulu nga lang. Hindi natin alam.
Ako delulu ako sa kanya.
Baka
Hindi joke
delulu
lang.
lang.
May
Sa baba na ako
LTG.
kumain.
baka, ano yan,
Ano?
you're seeing things, schizo.
It's a moment yarn.
Yeah.
For real?
Huh? Wait, ba't may glitch? Ba't may glitchy effect
ikaw na.
Kailan ka ba naging anti-social?
Naka-TikTok mo yan.
Oo nga.
Yung pagkain, masarap nga. Nakailang order ako. Oh, kita mo?
Kita mo? Di ba sabi ko naman sa'yo?
Nakailang kain ka na, Mark. Tingnan mo, naka-ibags ka na. Tama na.
Ito lang, may wait. Nakita niyo yon chat? Yung parang
Yeah.
nag-glitch pa rin yung screen niya.
Stop
Yes,
it,
kita
stop it.
ko.
You're making me scared. You're making me scared.
You know?
Wag, LTG, wag. Natatakot na ako.
Yeah, sabi daw ni Kale, I hate it when the Gale turn into a
The
psychological horror game for a few minutes. I fucking hate horror games.
I know.
Ayaw nyo yun? Ayaw nyo yun?
Hindi, I'm good with everything horror, pero I'm very not good at horror games. Takot na takot
By the
ako
way,
dyan.
hindi siya horror games. It's a psychological horror. So,
Psychological horror to.
It's still the same to me. Di ba sabi ko naman sa'yo? Masyado nilang ginagaling, di ba?
Gale teaching 2025. God damn it, Kyle.
Gale.
I hate it
Kyle
when
kasi
the Gale-
Kill. Kasi Kill.
Gale.
I'll
I
go.
hate it when the Gale turned into a psychological horror Gale.
I know, right?
Yeah. I fucking hate horror Gales.
God dang it. God dang it. Juju. Go ahead. Go
I
ahead.
really hate horror game chat. I don't know about you guys.
I don't know about this one, chat.
This one chat, but like I really hate horror gales.
Yeah. Horror Gales. Okay. You gotta go,
Let's
Dutch.
move on.
Go,
move
Dutch.
Masyado nilang ginagalingan, di ba? Di ba?
Ikaw ang may kasalanan.
Uy, what the fuck? Ayoko na yan.
Ikaw ang may kasalanan.
Hala. Masyadong
Ha?
schizo na si Mark. Mark, ano ba yung nilagay nila sa
Paano
adobo?
kung yung sinabi pala ng lola mo, ikaw ang may kasalanan?
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
LTJ,
Oo nga, no?
LTJ, hot topic. Ano nilagay nila sa pagkain ni Mark?
Oo
I
nga.
don't know, baka may ano yan,
Yes.
yung alam mo na, yung
Baka meron yan yung yung candy.
pinagbabawal na droga yan, baka yun yung ano ba, nangyayari.
What do you mean droga? Candy yun, di ba? Dutch candy. PG.
It is candy. It's candy.
Pinagbabawal
It's
na
edible.
candy, pinagbabawal na
Oh.
candy.
Hindi. Hindi yan bawal. Candy yan. Candy.
Okay, go.
Sustansyang candy. Ayun.
Okay, go, Dutch.
Oh,
Para matapos na tayo sa chapter.
Baka ngayon yun nga. Mark? Parang... Tama nga naman. Naiintindihan ko nga. Naiintindihan. Ako... Ako
Siya nga
nga
yung may kasalanan.
Hoy, stop it.
Para sinasabi ng lola, hindi yung babae ko, hindi si Mark yung may kasalanan.
Yeah. Until then, with voice acting, yeah, it is.
Yeah, with
Yes.
very...
So Dutch here can voice any girl characters. I voice the
Some of the
any
characters
background.
except Mark.
But Mark is personally owned by LTG.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Mhm. Also, mind you, child, I am not really good at Tagalog, so please bear
Yeah.
with me. Alam ko naman, pero please. Busy ka na. Magkasorry na po ako. Mark. May nangyari ba?
Ako yung may kasalanan.
Wala. Parang inamin yung sa part na yan, pero sinabi baka yun na yung
Yeah.
sinasabi ng lola.
Yeah, right?
What the heck?
Jesus.
Oh, we are now on the carnival, so that's why.
By the way, yung glitch effect nandyan pa rin. So si Mark ay konting delulu pa rin.
Konting dilulo pa rin. Sabi nila, nandito na sila. Yeah, nandito na tayo sa, may konting glitch effect pa rin siya.
Sabihin yan, nasa...
Dito, go.
Uy, best girl.
Nan mo naman.
Wait lang, hinaan ko lang yung napakalakas. Oh my God.
Ang background
Oh my
music,
God,
ang lakas,
napakalakas ng audio. Oh my God. Kanaya, actually. Yan. 75. 75.
75.
Music na,
74.
yung music na lang.
Yung music? Okay, sige.
Oo. Ibabaan
Bingin
mo
na
lang
ako,
konti.
bulag pa.
Kalbo ka pa. Bingi ka pa.
Ayan, go.
Ganun na.
Yan, umokay.
Ganun po yung wala naman na bago.
Yung mga pwesto dati, ganun pa rin. Alam mo bang magpapasko na naman?
Correct. Correct. Ay, teka. Nakita mo ba si Lidl?
Dehins.
Ay, naku. Pupunta daw siya, di ba? Uy,
Hala.
uy.
Hala.
Uy,
Hala.
di ba?
Oh, go.
Parang madaling
Oo.
LTG,
Wait na, may
parang
tumatawag
madaming
eh.
nakain na
Wait na, tumatawag.
candy si
Hello po. Galing. Pupunta nga.
Uy, pagkain. Uy.
Dutch. Parang madaming nakain si Mark na candy.
May nakain na pinagbabawal na candy.
Oo, ayun.
May kakain mo ba?
Wait lang, may tumatawag sa akin ha.
Ayan,
May problema
Ayun
nga.
may problema.
May problema nga. Tumatawag sa akin.
Ayan.
Pero, sige. Tuloy na lang natin to next time. Kasi, oras na, like 1 hour and 15. So, dito tayo titigil. Pero,
Okay.
eto. What is your reactions in Until Then, chat?
ayoko
Caroline?
na, ayoko na.
Ito lang spoiler, this is just, hanggang dun lang yun. Hanggang dun lang yung, na yun. Yung interaction na yun. So,
Naging
hanggang dun lang sa
delulu
chapter.
si Mark.
Pero
Ayan yung reaction
pero hindi yun yung parang magiging horror, parang nagiging DLC yung game. Hindi ganun yun. So,
Uy.
yun lang, spoiler lang. So, I will go now, chat, in a meanwhile. Pero, can I swear here, wag lang sa TikTok. Okay? Can I crash it here? Yeah, wag lang sa TikTok, man. Wag lang sa TikTok. Okay? Okay. Yan. Nilabas na. It's me, Sai. Yan. Okay lang, okay.
It's Sai! Oh,
Ayan,
it's
hello, Sai. Ito, gusto mong I will actually do like, exclusive Twitch streams. By the way, Juju, Dutch, iniimbitahan ko rin kayo na magkaroon, because we are also playing Jackbox streams, which is exclusive on the Purple app. So, iniimbitahan ko rin si Dutch tsaka si Juju.
Heck yeah, let's go.
Mag-Jackbox tayo. Jackbox stream.
Yes.
Next time, Thursday yung magaganap yan. Kung hindi nagkakama. Thursday ba nakalagay sa schedule ko? Parang Thursday, di ba? Thursday yata nakalagay doon. Anyways, chat, I wanna share something but that better behind closed doors. Eto, Sai, kung gusto mong i-share yan, open naman na aking Discord, open naman na aking TikTok live, chat. So, if you want to share this in private, you can actually do that. So, chat,
pwede naman.
Eto lang. Thank you so much sa lahat na mga pumunta. But, I will raid someone kasi may tumatawag sa akin. Baka Baka
Importante.
this oras ng gabi na may Shopee ako. So, hello everyone. So, until then, thank you so much for watching. Please follow Juju, please follow Dutch, please follow me on my social media accounts. Alam niyo na, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, lahat na, as in lahat. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you until then. Pero probably magkakaroon kami ng impromptu Until Then stream.
Improv.
Yeah, impromptu. Hindi like yung talagang literal na under the sun na Until Then stream para matapos lang natin to chapter 3. So, thank you so much, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!